Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add subscribers to your list through connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get logged in here. So let me get my email address and my password. Okay, so that takes you to your dashboard when you log in. What you want to do is you want to go down here and you want to click on the List button. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And there's a couple options to add subscribers. You can do a quick add subscriber in this box here, or you can upload by clicking on this button right here. If you use the upload button, you do that to upload a CSV file. Keep in mind, if you don't already have a CSV file set up, you can export your emails or your list into a CSV file. And then once you create the file, just save it on your computer where you can find it. We already have one saved, so I'll go ahead and upload it from the computer. Let's go ahead and click on this upload button now. And from here, we can either drop the CSV file, or I can just click here to open my browser and find it on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and open my browser, and I'm going to double click on the list that I have already uploaded in here. Okay, so before I click Start Import, does the file contain our header row? Yes, it does. It has name and email as a header row. So I'm going to click that it has a header row, and now I'm going to click the Start Import button. Okay, so it looks like it's processing. And this should go pretty quick here because we only have a few names in there. So let's go ahead and click on Lists again. I believe that the names are going to be showing at this point. Okay, great. So now we have some active subscribers here that we loaded in, and that's by doing the upload button. Then the other option here is under subscribers. You can do quick add subscribers by separating the email addresses by a comma, space, or a new line. So let's go ahead and just throw a few in here, and we're going to just separate them with a space. Okay, we'll do test 9, and let's just do one more. So I'm going to do space, enter the email address, and there. So I'm going to add those 3 by clicking the Add Subscribers button. And so we added 3 more. So now we have a total of 10, which is really cool. And then the other option, there is a third option actually. If you've created a website through connect.dataczar.com, the website comes built in with a sign up for newsletter link right here. And you can have people enter their email address. And so if people enter their email address, it's really great because you want to encourage people to sign up for the newsletter, and then if they do, they'll automatically be added to your list. And a great way to kind of advertise it is through social media by creating a post that includes your website, or by adding a website link to your business Facebook page. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect now. And so just to summarize, you can either use the upload button to upload a CSV file, or you can use the quick add subscriber link here. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you add subscribers to your list through connect.dataczar.com.